What's up everyone, Karan here and welcome back to Everything Explored where we explore and recommend a lot of new movies, books, animes and all that entertaining stuff for you guys on this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you why Harry Potter books are much better and richer than Harry Potter movies. With due respect, let me clarify that I do love Harry Potter movies too. Harry Potter movies was my first introduction to the wizarding world and I totally love those movies. But I still find Harry Potter books a better experience and I'm gonna tell you why in this video. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop in. Do you know what's worse than changing characters? It's the fact that some characters are totally left out. You never get to see Peeves the mischievous ghost or Percy's girlfriend, or you never get to meet other elves rather than Dobby and Creature in Harry Potter movies. So there's not only some characters which are completely left out, but also a lot of scenes and a lot of plot holes are there which were actually very relevant to the story. So you never get to experience the story completely just because some parts of the story and some characters are completely left out. One of the biggest example of this is you never get to see who actually created the Marauders map. Marauders map is one of the best highlights of Harry Potter movies, but when you watch the Harry Potter movie you never get to see how it was created and who created that. But when you read the books you get the complete experience. You get to know that who were the four people who created the Marauders map, how it works, how they created and all that. Did you know that Harry Potter books are written in a symmetrical structure? That means events that happen in one book tend to mirror itself in the next book. That's a very difficult but interesting way of writing a book. It's not easy, since as the story progresses it keeps evolving and the same events are harder to put. But since it's written by the J.K. Rowling, she has put it in a very fantastic way. It's a pity that it cannot be adopted in any movie since the time lapse is very small. A movie cannot be longer than 3 hours. So this structure cannot be adopted in any movie. The third reason why you should pick a Harry Potter book rather than a Harry Potter movie is because Harry Potter books explain everything in extreme detail. You get to know why something is happening and why something is not happening. What I mean by that is if you've just watched the movies, I'm pretty sure that you missed out a lot of stuff and there's a lot of stuff that you don't know about. For an example, in the last movie, Voldemort tries to kill Harry Potter by using the death spell, but somehow Harry Potter survives. It's never ever told in the movie that how Harry Potter survived, why Harry Potter survived, but in the book it's thoroughly explained. The fourth reason why I choose Harry Potter books over Harry Potter movies is because in Harry Potter books you also get to know that what Harry or any other character is thinking. I want this thing to be so badly in the movies, but unfortunately it can't be in the movies because it looks very odd when you try to showcase in a movie what a character is thinking and then what a character is speaking. It can only be possible when you write stuff down, that Harry thought something like this is this, and then he did not say that or he said that. It looks phenomenal to know that what your character actually thinks, what's going on in a character's mind. I wish this could be shown in the movies, but this may go in a bad way. That is why they don't add it in the movie. Anyway, let's move to the next reason. So the last and final point of this video does not concern the movies in any way, but why I like Harry Potter books the most is it can turn anyone into an avid reader. Even if you don't like reading, if you just pick up a Harry Potter book, you'll just dwell into that. Doesn't matter if you've read the books or not, you're a beginner or you're reading for years, it'll make you feel fantastic. It'll absorb you into the wizarding world. Harry Potter books has produced so many readers, people who actually hated reading reported that after reading Harry Potter, they became avid readers, they started reading, and the journey went on. That's one of the big reasons why I prefer Harry Potter books over Harry Potter movies. Although it doesn't concern any movies, Harry Potter books are just magical. Thank you. I think that's all for today. Let's end this video right now, and I'll see you in the next one. You know the drill, right? Just like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Bye bye.